it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this beautiful, fast, quick, easy, street type of food that we eat in Africa. In Cameroon, we call it beignet coquille, which is made of black-eyed peas. I know that Nigerians and Ghanaians call this akara. It's a type of puff that uses black-eyed peas. So this type of peas that has the black eye. Let's get started so I can show you what we need in order to achieve this beautiful beignet coquille or akara. For this recipe, obviously we need the black-eyed peas beans. This is what it looks like when it's already clean. But if you don't have this version that is already clean, you can use this version, which is not the clean version, but you will have to soak it and clean it yourself so that you remove the black eyes on it. I do have a video on how to clean this fast. I'm gonna link it below so you can just click and go check it out. That video will show you how to clean black-eyed peas quick and fast and easy. Obviously you need some hot pepper if you consume pepper, but even if you don't consume pepper, you should put just a little bit to give you that little kick. It will be really good. Some salt, onion, of course. I'm going to be using some of the peanut oil and some of the palm oil just to give me that color, but I do want to fry it with this. I'm not really sure how they call this in other countries, but in Cameroon they call this Kanwang, which is, it's kind of like kosher salt, le sel gem. This is to help with the digestive system, especially when you eat beans. So when I cook any type of beans, usually when I boil it, I would drop some of this inside just to help with that. So I'm going to use just a little bit of it in this as well. First, I'm going to soak my beans. I'm going to be using about 2 cups. Although this is already clean, I'm still going to clean it because you can tell that there's still some dirt in it. So I'm still going to have to clean this before I blend it. So I'm going to put some water in, let it soak for at least 10 minutes. So our beans have been cleaned. Time to blend it. In the blender, add all your beans. Along with that, we're going to add the onion, the hot pepper, and that little kanwang. So when you blend this, you're not going to make it into a puree. I'm going to beat this for at least 8 to 10 minutes because you want it to be fluffy. As you can see now, it has almost doubled and you can see how fluffy it is. You want it to be fluffy, so I'm going to go ahead and put the oil and just warm it up a little bit while I continue to make this more fluffy. I'm going to start by putting some peanut oil. Just want to make sure the bottom is all covered. Along with that, I'm going to add some palm oil. I did heat up some water and I placed my bottle in it. So this is not black, it's actually red. It's just because I put it into hot water just to dilute it. As you can see, it's going to change the color of that oil. You don't want it to heat up to a point where it's smoking because this oil can smoke and you don't want that. So I'm just going to heat it up as it starts to heat, and then once it's ready, I'm going to start putting the beignet in there. So I'm going to add my salt to taste. Smoke. As soon as it starts to smoke, you don't want it to overheat. Go ahead and start frying your beignet, your akara. You see how when you put into the oil, it stays up. It should not be going down. It's pretty fluffy. There's a lot of air in it. So that's exactly how it should be frying. As you can see, it's pretty fluffy. See see how light it is, and it's just staying at the top. You're gonna fry it a little bit, about 30 to 45 seconds on each side, and you're just gonna flip it. Keep the heat between medium and high. So it's like frying, this thing is pretty much like frying whipped cream. It's that light.